Hey loves, so one little trick to avoid food waste when you're cooking is to use your little fork and little parts that you would usually throw away to make like a flavorful bomb, I call it. So this is like the tops of my green pepper. And here I've got the seeds of my. I'm chucking this in the bin. I'm going to blend this to form an aromatic stock or some uses to season my stew base. So let's get to it. It's really easy. All you have to do is cut it, chuck it in your blender, add some water, wait for that. Add more water. There you have it. There you have the flavor bomb. I'm probably going to use two baits, and I'll show you how I'm going to use. Do not throw this away. Adding water. And we're going to pulse it really high. This we're gonna use to lighten up our sauce if it's too thick. So let's get to cooking the stew.